FAFSA Guide 2026 Complete Beginner's Guide. Did you know millions of students miss out on thousands of dollars every year simply because they don't complete the FAFSA? In this video, I'll explain what FAFSA is, how it works, and how you can maximize your financial aid in 2026. What is FAFSA? FAFSA stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid. It is the official application that helps students qualify for financial aid to pay for college. Through FAFSA, students may receive federal grants, federal student loans, work-study jobs, scholarships, state and college financial aid. Why is FAFSA important? Without completing the FAFSA, you may miss out on grants, low-interest student loans, work-study opportunities, and many college scholarships. Who should apply? High school seniors, college students, undergraduate students, graduate students, transfer students. What do you need? Before applying, have these ready: Social Security number, tax information, parents' income if required, bank information, FSA ID. How to apply: 1. Create your FSA ID. 2. Complete the FAFSA application online. 3. Add your colleges. 4. Review your information. 5. Sign and submit. What happens next? After you submit FAFSA, your application is reviewed, your Student Aid Index (SAI) is calculated, and colleges send you financial aid offers. Common mistakes: missing the deadline, entering incorrect income, forgetting to sign, incorrect Social Security number. Final tips: apply as early as possible, keep your documents ready, review everything carefully, and never miss the deadline. Completing the FAFSA could save you thousands of dollars for college. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with students preparing for college in 2026.